kinds of verbs. Transitive verbs, there are two types of verbs, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. See, under verbs, there are kinds of verbs, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. What are intransitive verbs? See, verbs are action words. You know that some verbs need an object to complete its sense, while some do not. See, some verbs need an object to complete its sense, means complete its meaning. See, John reads. What he reads, we don't know. Say, Sarah sings. Mahi chews. These sentences do not give a proper sense because it is incomplete. John reads. ಅವನು ಏನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Sarah sings. Incomplete. So, we need to add an object to these sentences. That is, see, John reads. Here, John reads a fairy tale. So, now it gives complete sense. So, the verb needs an object to complete its sense. See, this is an object. This is subject, verb, object. Here, subject and verb, subject and verb, subject and verb, subject, verb and object. John reads a fairy tale. Sarah sings a beautiful song. ಏನು ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾರಾ ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸಾಂಗ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಮಹಿ ಚೀವ್ಸ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. Mahi chews, I mean the food, that is the object. Now these sentences have complete meaning. So after having added object, a fairy tale, a beautiful song, the food properly. See, the food. After having added object to these sentences, these sentences have complete meanings. So the verbs that need the verb that need an object to complete the meaning or sense. They are transitive verbs. Transitive verbs, the verb that need an object to complete the meaning. In a sentence, here John reads. It is not a transitive. John reads a fairy tale. Now the verb is transitive. The verb that need an object to complete the sense of a sentence. So such verbs are called transitive verbs. Okay. Transitive verbs, the verb that need an object. So for transitive verbs, object is needed. The verb that need an object to complete the sentence. It means the object is needed to give the proper meaning to the sentence. So when we use the object, it gives the proper meaning to the sentence. Here John reads, it is incomplete. Incomplete sentence. John reads a fairy tale. It is a complete sentence. It gives meaning to the sentence. A fairy tale. The object gives meaning to the sentence. Now it is complete. So these verbs are called transitive verbs. The verb that need an object to complete the sense of sentence. Intransitive. intransitive verbs, the verb that doesn't need an object to complete the sense of the meaning. Here, intransitive verbs, the verb that doesn't need an object. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. In contrast, means just opposite to that. Intransitive verbs do not need an object to complete their meanings. Such verbs have complete sense even without an object. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The sun shines. There is no object. Shine. It is the verb. The sun is the subject. There is no object. But in the absence of object, the sentence gives the proper meaning, complete meaning. See, the sun shines. Such verbs have complete sense even without an object. Object illade idrunu kuda sentence complete meaning kodutte. Adrinda such verbs are called intransitive verbs. See, he ran a long distance. Long distance is not an object, remember. He ran a long distance. Next, linking verbs. See, a verb that joins a complement is called a linking verb. See, some verbs do not make complete sense by themselves. They do not take object to make their sense. See, she looks beautiful. Here, subject, verb, but beautiful is not object, it is a complement. She is the subject, looks, verb. Here, beautiful is not object, it's a complement. In these cases, complement is added to the end of the sentence to make the sense complete, make the meaning complete. I mean, when we add these complements to the sentences, it gives complete meaning. A verb that joins a complement is called a linking verb. Here, looks is a linking verb here. Linking verb. Linking verb means that linking verbs are not separate. In some sentences, the verbs act as linking verbs. In this sentence, looks is a linking verb because it added complement to the sentence. A verb that joins a complement is called linking verb. See, what we add here, see some examples. The proposal sounds beneficial. Beneficial is a complement, not object. Ritu is intelligent. Okay, intelligent is a complement. Next, these type of verbs are called linking verbs.